Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be creating this half rosette and half drip cake with buttercream. I'm starting off with a 5-inch cake that has been stacked and crumb coated, and I'm applying a final layer of frosting in buttercream. I've tinted my buttercream turquoise with just a touch of turquoise gel food color by Chef Master. And then I'm going to smooth out that frosting. Fill in any pockets as you go. And then continue to smooth until you're happy with the finish. You can take a large spatula and then drag that top lip towards the middle of the cake and pop your cake into the fridge to set for a good 20 minutes. Before I do any piping, I like to score a line with my little spatula, just traveling diagonally, and that way I know where to sort of limit the spread of my rosettes. I've taken a 32 piping tip and a smaller star tip. I'll have the exact number for you guys in the description box below. And I'm creating rosettes with a darker teal or darker turquoise frosting, and then the same color as the cake as well in my second piping bag. You want to fill in the spaces as best as you can using the rosettes, some stars, and if you want to, even some edible decorations like dragées or wafer paper butterflies. The design options are totally up to you. I continue the spread of my rosettes to about a 10 centimeter or so width. So as you turn to see the rest of the cake, you can see that doesn't actually follow through all the way around. It does end pretty abruptly, but that's kind of what I wanted for this cake design. And then I'll have the ganache recipe listed in the description box as well for you guys. We're going to use ganache to help really finish off this design. I've tinted it teal with gel food color as well. And then as I drip it, I'm just dripping along the edges. There isn't a puddle of ganache in the middle of the cake. Otherwise that puddle would continue to feed the drips and they'd become longer than you would want. So take care with how much ganache you drip over the sides. The amount of time that you spend on the one spot, the longer your drip will be. Also, the consistency of your ganache will also affect it. The runnier it is, the longer the drip will become, and also the warmer it is as well. So as your ganache cools, it tends to not drip as much. So just keep those factors in mind. And then just continue all around the cake. There you have your half rosette, half drip cake. Very, very fun and easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you give it a go. If you do, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.